Good evening, and thank you for joining us on this Thursday, the 8th of October. There's progress as Oahu wraps up its second week under Mayor Caldwell's reopening plan. The 7-day average coming in at 73 COVID cases a day and a 3.2 positivity rate. Both indicators are down from the week before, which brings us closer to more reopenings under Tier 2. Nikki Schenfeld breaks down what that means.
Mayor Kirk Caldwell says Honolulu is doing well, and if numbers continue to remain where they are, the island can move to Tier 2 on October 22nd.
So starting now, and if the positivity rate is below 5%, we move into Tier 2, where we can do a lot more things and loosen up even more.
Under Tier 2, 5 people remains the max for social gatherings, parks, beaches, sports, restaurants, and the majority of activities. What will change is 5 people outside of your household can go to a restaurant. Arcades will open. Helicopter tours will reopen at 50% capacity. Legal vacation rentals will be permitted. Personal care services like massages and tattoos will reopen. And gyms can open at 25% capacity. In order to move to another tier, numbers have to remain consistent for 4 weeks. The concern, moving into Tier 2, some public schools reopening to in-class learning, and visitors coming back next week.
So we do expect, and Dr. Fauci talked about it too, he says we'll see an uptick in numbers. But if we bring down the numbers on Oahu, that uptick won't keep us out of Tier 2.
To do that, he says residents must continue to wear a mask, avoid large gatherings, and wash their hands, and remind others of the rules that are in place. The mayor says Oahu will learn from places like Tahiti, who saw a huge jump in cases, even after implementing a 2-test system for visitors.
They opened up, and it wasn't so much the visitors that brought the virus. It's that when they opened up to visitors, the Tahitians got more relaxed and thought, okay, things are going back to the way it was. We cannot let our guards down as the visitors come back to celebrate life here.
Caldwell says it will be up to the Department of Health whether to add visitors to the daily case count. Under CDC guidance, a visitor's positive case should be counted in their home state. Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.